how are you? How do you like this beautiful basket of hydrangeas? I made it so quickly. I'll share with you step-by-step instructions, all done out of my garden flowers. I'm so excited to share with you. Let's get started. It's a hydrangea season right now, so it's a perfect time for this project. Go ahead, cut a few beautiful blooms, add whatever greenery or flowers you have, and you can put this together in about 15 minutes. You are going to need a flat back hanging wicker basket. Mine is old, but you can find one online at Walmart, Michael's, or Temu, just to name a few. Also, you are going to need a block of floral foam. It doesn't even have to be that big. Just drop it in water, let it soak, and then put it in a plastic bag and cut off the excess bag. You can also fold it over like so and insert in your basket, and it will stay in there as you insert your flowers. And as we put this together, I'm going to use my fruit basket, the banana hanger, just to hold my basket in place so you could see what I'm doing, okay? So prepare your flowers ahead of time. Remove all the bottom leaves so the stems will be ready to insert. We are actually going to start off with the purple Liatris stems. Insert them like a fan all the way across the back of your basket. Of course, you can use any other flowers you might have in your garden. I like these because they will break up the shape of the round hydrangea mass and also give us some different texture there. Use the flower shape to your advantage. You see how that one is bent to the left, the other one bent to the right. We are going to use it just like that. It's perfect. Okay, and now you are going to insert your flowers. Just cut the stems at an angle, that way they'll drink some more water. And you see I have two pink ones, so I'll add one on each side. I don't have any special formula for you here. Just fill it up with beautiful flowers, whatever makes you happy. I like this purple one too, so I'm just gonna insert it right there on the side as well. And let's see, we can add one more on the other side. What colors hydrangeas do you have, if any? Or what are your favorite? I have a blue one left. And of course that would look beautiful there, but since I have all these greens, might as well add them here. They used to be white. They turn green closer to fall. We have to sprinkle more of that color all over. They're great fillers. And now we need to add some greenery. So just stick some here and there, fill in any holes you might see. I think some greenery in the back there is necessary. Let me show you. Better, right? I also have some stems of ivy over here. It just removes those leaves at the end, so you could insert the stem in your floral foam deep in there in between the flower heads. We could use a shorter one on the side over here. Let's see what else we have. Just play with it, my besties. I'll just stick it here on the side. And this is it, besties. So easy. It took less than 15 minutes. A simple hanging basket, some beautiful flowers straight from my garden, and you have the prettiest summer arrangement or a beautiful handmade gift. All I did here was attach a happy birthday tag, and my aunt loved it. She was so happy to have this basket to enjoy through the summer, and then it dried up and looked beautiful during fall. And yes, you can absolutely make this with faux flowers too, so use what you have and make it your own. Take care, my besties. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you. I still have a lot of hydrangeas in my garden, so I'm going to quickly put together little bouquets and make centerpieces for the tables. For greenery, I'm using mint. Beautiful smell. Did I tell you it's Aloha Party? And my sister is hosting and she looks so beautiful. Look at her.